Hi guys, welcome to Code Like a Pro, and in this video we'll learn about while loops. So let's go. As you know, today we'll be learning about while loops. But before moving ahead, please consider subscribing to our channel. Okay, once you have done it, let's move on. I already have a new file in my IDLE. Now let me explain to you what are while loops and why is it called a loop. For example, you have one variable and inside that variable you have a string, and if you don't know what strings are, stay tuned because I'll explain that in my next video. So inside that string we have Code Like a Pro. Now we'll use a while statement. So while true will print yes, it is true. Okay, so once I have this, if I run it, you can see what I mean. It's keep on giving yes, it is true. Why is this happening? So let me explain to you what did I do. So I wrote a line of code which said while true. What does it mean? It means that while the statements or the code above this while statement or loop, if it's true, then it will print yes, it is true. For example, if we had more than one variable, so two variables, and inside that variable I have some numbers like that. Now if I run it, you can still see that it's printing yes, it is true. So it doesn't depend if there are one line of code or two lines of code. It could be crore or a billion line of code too, but still it will work. And if you didn't know, I know that this is capital and it should be capital and you should have a colon right here. And it could be two things, while false or while true. For example, something like this. So there could be two values over here. It could be true or false. For example, if I use false, then it's very interesting. Let me show you what will happen. It didn't do anything. Why? Because these three lines of code are not false. These three lines of code are true. And how will you know if it's true? If these three lines of code are working or are in your code, then you know that these three lines of code are true. For example, if I remove these three lines of code and then run, it still won't give us anything. So the statement above this while loop should be false, then only it will work. So that's it for this video. I hope you understood. Bye.